search first. Yeah, hand me that. You're not allowed to do that. I know. Alright, this is Nala and Ella. Well, Ella's like, I can sniff you from here. It's fine.
Now, I may be overanalyzing, but is Nala kind of feeling Ella's energy?
Sure. She has a lead dog. Bear might be the one that leads everything. This is just me for Nala. And Ella isn't a pretty boy like Russ. You know?
Yeah, Nala's tail is tucked.
Not the same pheromone. She's okay with it. Yeah, she says, I'm good.
Huh.
We'll take them out inside,
Okay.